Good afternoon, guys. I was about to say good morning, but good afternoon. Today's Saturday. And I think it's 12 right now, if I'm not mistaken. They just delivered my fridge. But it has stains. I don't know why it has like white stains. I don't even know if it's paint or what. But yeah, they just delivered my fridge. I was at the mall. Like, they told me that they'll call 30 minutes before they deliver. I get to the mall, I wanna do whatever I wanna do. They call me, they're like, oh, we're outside. I'm like, y'all said you'll call 30 minutes before, so now I must leave what I'm doing and come back. But I left it. Yeah, they said I shouldn't switch it on for the next 2 hours. I'll switch it on after 2 hours because it was being moved around and whatnot. So yeah, I'm happy. Today we're gonna be cleaning, like proper cleaning, because I have to move my stuff here. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm also gonna show you guys the items that I got yesterday and today. So yeah. I got a juice and a muffin. This is my breakfast. I also had coffee. So this is what I'm gonna have for breakfast. It's even lunch now. It's like after 12. So yeah. Hey guys. So it's 1:15. It's 1:15 and I've been cleaning. I did the bathroom. The only thing that's left in the bathroom is the shower. And I cleaned my closet and I also cleaned the basin in the bathroom because it was so dirty. There's so many spiders here. Like, I don't know why there's so many spiders. I don't know if maybe it's because there was no one staying here for like maybe a week or so. I don't know or what. But yo, there's so many spiders. I killed a lot of spiders and today still there's spiders. But yeah, I want to show you guys what I got because I want to use some of the things that I got. I don't know, I don't even remember when I got some of these things. I don't know if I've shown you before, but I got a scrubbing brush at Pep Home. This was 17 Rand. I'm gonna use it to scrub the shower. And then I got these gloves at Checkers. These latex gloves for cleaning because I want to clean the shower, and the other day I had to clean the toilet and I didn't have gloves. So I had to find, when I got a medium, I had to find, imagine if I had gotten a small. Okay, yeah, I had to find plastics. I had to use plastics. And then I also got a curtain yesterday. It's a taped sheer curtain. This is one. I think it's just one. I don't know if it's gonna be big enough for that space, but it has two because I didn't want to buy like two because my curtains are gonna come like next week. This week I'm going to. So I just need a curtain for like basically today and the next few days. And then my curtains are gonna come. So I only got one, and this was 100 rand. And then I got pegs at Pep. This was 25 for 24, and this was 22 for 20. I got this wooden spoon. This was 20 rand. Yeah, this was 20 rand. I got a cloth, dishcloth for my dishes, to wash dishes, but I wanted to use this to wipe, and then I thought I bought two. The other one I used it to wipe my cupboard. And then I just bought some teaspoons. These were 30 rand for 4, and spoons. Why were this cheaper than the teaspoons? Okay, this was 14, 15, 16 rand for 4. I didn't even see, like, and this was 30 rand for 4, and these are teaspoons. Okay, but then the quality of this is better than this, so it makes sense. Oh, and then in Shavena Tiforok, I also bought some forks. 4 piece. This was 40 rand. Yeah, these are 40 rand because I know that the dishes that are coming, I don't really have forks and spoons and things like that. And then I got a fitted sheet. Why did I get a fitted sheet? Okay, anyways, I got a fitted sheet at Pep. This was 60 rand. Literally, I only got this because I don't want to sleep on an air mattress, like directly on the air mattress for a month. So I got this. I wouldn't have gotten it if I had like a proper bed, because honestly I feel like it's really just a waste of money. But yeah, I can't sleep on like a bed, a mattress. And then I got a wine glass at Checkers. Ooh, look at this. It's so big. So nice. It's so nice. It's a banquet crystal bohemia. So I think this was like 30 rand, if not 35 rand. And I only got one because honestly, I'm alone. I'm probably gonna get another one in case I have a friend over or anything like that. But yeah, I got this glass. And then where should I put it? Okay. Let me show you what else I got at Pep. And then I bought a glass, a tumbler. It says it's a tumbler, but it's glass. At Pep, I think this was 10 rand. They just removed the price. It was on promotion. It was 10 rand. I really like how it looks. Yeah, I got this for water because I can't drink water from a wine glass now. Come on. And then I got a bowl for my cereal in the morning, and yeah, cereal, noodles, things like that. This was 25 rand. and I really like how it looks. I just got it in white because I mean you can never really go wrong with white. And then I got a plate. This was really expensive. It was 35 rands. It's a dinner plate, and yeah, it was 35. I really like this for my food for the next few days. So I only got one of each item because there's honestly no reason for me to get more than one. Okay, let me put this away, then I'll show you guys the rest. I also got pillows. These were on special. It was a special game, and honestly I didn't really want to compromise on pillows because the last time I bought pillows I bought them at Pep. I don't know what I was thinking buying pillows at Pep. But honestly, that thing went flat really quickly. So I got these pillows, because there are two at Game. One was 130, but because it was a special, two were going for no, I'm lying. One was 100 rand. Because the last time I checked, when I went to Game to check, this was 100 rand for one. And then yesterday when I went to Game, there was a special, so two was 150. Yeah, two were going for 150. So I got two, and I don't think it's gonna go flat, honestly. If it does, I'm gonna be so disappointed. But it says it's a ball fiber pillow, bounce back fiber, microfiber casing, and superior loft. So yeah, I think this is like a really good quality pillow. Obviously I'm not sure because I haven't used it, but it really does bounces back. So I got two because I thought of buying one because I mean I only got like one, like I only got a single mattress, but then I'm gonna get a proper bed, like a double bed. So obviously I'm gonna need two pillows. So I just decided to just get two and make use of the special. In the long run, it's gonna save me money. So yeah, this was at Game, and then I have so many plastics. I got this fleece blanket at Shit Street. This was 70 rand. It was on special as well, so I decided to get it because I don't have a blanket. My blanket is gonna come with the rest of my things, so I just got this for now because I can't sleep without covering myself, obviously. So I got this. Actually, yeah, I'll open it later. I want just to see how it looks. This was 70 rand. It was marked down. Yeah, it was 70 rand. So today I went to Mr. Price, and I also went to Pep again because there were some things that I needed. I got some brass hooks. I couldn't find the normal ones. I saw them at Mr. Price, but they were expensive. I was like, sure, I'll just get them at Pep. And yeah, I got them at Pep, but they didn't have the plastic ones, so I got some hooks. These were 12 rand. I got a pillowcase for my pillow. This was 17 rand. Yeah, it's a standard pillowcase. It was 17 rand. I got this one because I'm gonna change it obviously once I get a bed. I didn't want to buy like a expensive pillowcase because there was a white one, but I was like, it's 30 rand, might as well just get this one because it's cheaper, and I'm gonna change it, so I'm not gonna stay with this for long. And then I got a spoon, a serving spoon, so that I can use it to cook for now. This was 20 rand. Yeah, this was 20 rand. So see, 1999, 20 rand. And then lastly at pay I got a mat. Initially I wanted a bathroom mat, but yo, guys, those things are so expensive. I'm on a really tight budget, so I just got this one, so that when I come out of the shower I don't stand on the tile. And then when I get money, I'm gonna buy a proper one, and then I'm gonna take this outside because I don't have a mat for outside. So win-win. And yeah, what else? Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Lastly, my favorite purchase is, so you guys want to take a guess, a wild guess? I got a candle. Oh my god, this was on sale. Actually it was on, yeah, it was on sale. It was marked down, I think, I don't know, but it was on sale. You see, when you see that red sticker come as the price, you know, and it's a 3-week candle. Can you believe it? I'm so happy. So yeah, I got a candle. I got a citronella candle. This was 100 rand. It went down, I don't remember got it from how much, I'll check now, but it was 100 rand. The sale. I love things that are always on special. Wow, it went down from 180. That's a good special, Shem. Good deal. That's a really good deal, because this was 180. It was initially 180 and I got it for 100 rand. Like, guys, 80 rand is a lot of money, and it smells really good. Like, it smells so good. I can't wait to finish cleaning, and then I'm gonna light it, and then my house is gonna smell really nice. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy, I'm so excited. Like, guys, I love candles so much, and look at how cute it looks. It looks really cute, and it smells good, and it says home fragrance. So yeah, that's what I got. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm like a kid who just got some candy. But that's pretty much it. Yeah, so now what I need to do, I need to go clean the shower, because I feel like that's the one thing I'm not looking forward to. That shower is nasty. And then I need to wipe down my fridge, and then I'm gonna switch it on, and then I think that's it. Oh no, I still need to mop the floor. Okay, I still have a lot to do. I really have a lot to do. But yeah, that's it. Oh, I also need to hang my curtain. I actually have a lot to do. So let me go do the one thing that I'm really dreading, which is the shower. And then yeah, oh, this candle smells so good. I need to go get a lighter, because what? I need to get a lighter. So I just want to show you guys how my sink looks after we're cleaning it. It looks very clean, like compared to the way that it looked when I got here. It looks clean. It's very clean. And I also wiped this thing, mirror, and like lining, and I wiped it. Let me show you guys the shower. I don't know if you guys can see properly, but I just put some handy on some domestos, and there's a spider. Wait, where is it? I can't see it. Here's a spider over here. So now I'm gonna clean this. Hopefully it's gonna look better than the way that it looks now, because wow. I'm gonna scrub using this. So yeah.
pictures. How often have I told you don't fight over your taste? My reply is emoji shade. Are you up to something? So you sneak through the curtains. Oh, the house is still silent. Bumped into the wall upstairs. Hello, 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 hello. I hope that you don't mess with my peace of mind. And no place, no, that's not gonna work, so you gotta cut it off. I knew somehow the silly jokes wouldn't end up like it was supposed to. That's not funny at all. That's not funny at all. They said I'm introverted, skin and bone, and I know I'm still an extroverted. $80 like a charm, need it, I can fix it. Guess that was something.
Hey guys, so I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. I'm done cleaning. Like, shower done, mopping done, everything is done. I just need to put my curtain on, and I'm so tired. Like, my feet hurt. Like, I've been doing a lot of walking the past few days. So yeah, that's what I need to do. Then go get the rest of my stuff, and then that's it. Yeah, that's literally it.
No, it's not. A lot of friends on the internet text as a rubber band man. We don't even chat, but it's irrelevant. Toxic people, I'm trying to get rid of them. Get away, get away, get away. Hello, 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 hello. I hope that you don't mess with my peace of mind. No place, no, that's not gonna work.
We have a curtain. We have a curtain. We have a curtain. It's a bit short, like, but I'm not stressed. At least it covers most of the window. Like, I can actually sleep. And when you're on the outside, you can't see what's inside. Like, unless if you're really that nosy and you really just want to see, but you can't. I really like it. I really like it, and I really love the color. Like, man, I just love it. I just wish mine wasn't coming. Then I would go buy another one, and then they'd be two, you know. But I think it's really nice. What do you guys think? I think it's nice. Hey guys, so I have moved in. I'm so tired. My legs hurt. My feet hurt. I am so not load shedding. Guys, we are shedding. What? Oh my god. Guys, my foot is here and my power bank is literally on one bar. Yo. I had to hunt for this thing because the power left while I was still recording, but I got a small pizza. This is very small. It looks big on camera, but it's small, with some fries. What is this? Oh, and a Coke. Yeah, so bye guys. The power is gonna come back at 10 and it's still to 9, so yeah. Hey guys, so it's 5 minutes to 11 at night. Literally the power came back at like 10. It left at 8 and came back at 10. Wow, what a mess it was, because I literally just got into the place. I literally just gotten to my place, and then the power left as soon as I got here. So yeah, came back at 10. It's now 5 to 11. I'm so exhausted. Like, I had such a long day. I just want to sleep. My feet hurt. I had such a very long day. Sorry, but it was a good day nonetheless. Like, long but good. I managed to move everything and I'm fully moved in. I just need to, like, I really need to make a plan and get a bed, yo. That's my biggest priority right now. Like, I need to get a bed. I need to get a bed because, wow, noise. But I'm so grateful to be here. Grateful, I'm happy. Like, I'm so happy for my space. Like, I'm grateful for this little space of mine that I get to call home. You know, like, I'm just happy. Like, I'm really just so happy. You know, God is good. God is good. Yeah, so I'm having, please don't judge me, I'm having a glass of, I know the glass is like full, but come on guys, really, come on now. Yeah, because like I really had such a long day and I was really looking forward to this moment. I was, but anyways, I want to sleep now because I'm going to church in the morning. And yeah, we've actually come to the end of the vlog. Yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Pretty please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, if you're new and you haven't subscribed, subscribe please, you know. Yeah, and if you haven't turned on your post notifications, please turn on your post notifications so that you get notified the next time I drop a video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.